very good evening to one and all. I welcome back you once again to my YouTube video to discuss Afghanistan-Pakistan war. This war is going on this Durand Line, and Durand Line is a 2611 kilometer border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. This Durand Line was never been accepted by any Afghanistani leader in the past as the official border between Afghanistan and Pakistan. This Durand Line was formed by Mr. Durand when British India was there, and it was decided to establish a border between Afghanistan and British India. But after partition, when Pakistan formed, Pakistan have claimed this border, but Afghanistan have never accepted this border as a territory between Afghanistan and Pakistan. And because of that, this war is happening. Taliban 1.0 used to rule Afghanistan in 1990s, and during that time, Pakistan used to enjoy a very great relations with Afghanistani Taliban. And in fact, the Pakistani military from the soil of Afghanistan have carried out several terrorist attacks against India as well. In 2007, Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan was formed as a separatist group in Pakistan, which have carried out several terrorist attacks in Pakistani soil. But now Pakistan claims that this Tehreek-e-Taliban Pakistan is now being funded and aided by Afghanistani Taliban to carry out this terrorist attack. Balochistan Liberation Army is also there, and Balochistan have also their own issues in Pakistan because they want the separate state from Pakistan, and this BLA is also carrying out several terrorist attacks in Pakistan. And due to these terrorist attacks, every year more than 350 or around 400 people are getting died in Pakistan. So that is a major issue, and Pakistani defense minister have claimed that they are now being frustrated by several terrorist attacks in Pakistan, and they have decided to go a full-fledged war with Afghanistan. So the war is going on, but Afghanistan is a country which were invaded several times by many other major powers, even including USSR and USA. But every time the invaders have failed and Afghanistan have risen. So the Taliban is now more stronger. And in 2021, when Taliban took over, Pakistan thought that they will be having great relations, and meanwhile Pakistan have welcomed them in 2021 to take power in Afghanistan, because they thought that they will be having a strategic depth in the region, especially against India. But that has not happened. Meanwhile, India's relations with Afghanistani Taliban have improved in the past. Their foreign minister recently have visited India, and India have also maintained a better trade, maintain a relations in the future, so that we can enhance our trade and get access to Afghanistani market and also of the Central Asia. But for Pakistan point of view, these Afghanistani Taliban 2.0 have proved to be very fragile, and they have started attacking them. China, which is having a major project in CPAC as a part of CPAC in Pakistan, have argued Pakistan and Afghanistan to stop this war, because CPAC is not a great success for China because of continuous attack from BLAs and TTPs. So let's see what happens in the future. But we as a country, for India's point of view, we do not want an unstable neighborhood, because that may lead to several migrations, and as well as this unstable Pakistan can do anything against India as well. We have to be very ready for that. Thank you.